Hello. Hi everyone. Today we will discuss how to create the organization structure in the SAP server. I will show you manually. So you can observe it and you can remind it and you can keep it in your mind and practice well. So we'll see. In my previous class I told you this is the organization structure. So what we have to do, we have to create company first. How do we create? I will tell you. So this is the SAP server. So we'll type SPRO. This is SAP project reference object, SPRO abbreviation, and type SPRO and enter and select SAP reference IMG. IMG means implementation management guide, and click on it and go through enterprise structure and go through definition and click on financial account. Here it is the defined company. Click on it and this is new entry and this is copy as and this is details button, this is change button and this is delete button. These are select all, deselect all, select black, all these icons. This is saving button, this is backward button, and this is the exit button, and this is canceling the screen, and this is for new screen. If you want to open the new screen, this is new screen. If you type here /o also, it will take into new screen. This is help button. So these are the icons. Now how do you create company? Go to new entries and here we can give our company name. Company name is the 6-digit code. So I will give some SRN123. I am giving, and company name anything. We'll take Infosys and street. You can type anything in street. I may type post box is in 6 digits. Postal code city is HYD Hyderabad and country is India. Language key is English. Here you can click on space bar, that existing will come. Otherwise you can click here F4 button, will get the details, country details like this. So you can select whichever you want. The currency is INR, Indian rupee, and save it. Completed. Company is created, data was saved here. So again go through /n SPRO. This /n means N is a new screen. You'll get the new screen. That's why typing /n. /o is you'll get another screen, extra screen. Go to SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure. What are we doing now? We are creating company code now. Company is completed. Now we are creating company code. Wait. No. Enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Here edit, copy, delete, check company code. Click on it and click on copy, delete, check company code and click on copy as button. Here we are copying from 1000 company code. When we creating plant also we are will have to copy from 1000 company code. It is a reference, one reference company, existing company code. From that we are copying company. So 1000 company from, and 2 company code will give S01. I am giving the digit. Actually it's a 4 digit also. I am giving 3 digit. Okay. GL account company code data. Do you want to copy? Yes, it is copying from 1000 company to our company code. So INR. Okay, you just click on yes, all yes buttons. It will copy number, ranges, currency, and GL accounts, all those, and intervals, all are copying from 1000 companies. So we have to adopt it. So you can click on yes. Yes. Here it is there. No, if you want to, here request is there. If you want to own, you can create new request. New request is SRN 123 company code. So it will create newly. Yes, it will take some time. We have to click on like this. Will create. Okay. Okay, created. No? Okay. So company code created. Now edit company code data. So our company code is there. What is our S01? This is position button. Here we can search our company. Whatever we created a company code, we can search from this. Okay. See, I took position. I type my company code and enter. Here it is there. Select it and go to details button, and where we can edit the company code, our company code details. No, this is 1000 company code data we are copied from there. So now we are editing the company code data. Our company name is server 123. Now city is I am giving Hyderabad, and country I am giving India. Currency is INR, and language is I am giving English, and save. Save now. See, data was saved. Company code is completed. Now we have to create plant. So we can same type slash and SPRO. Click on SAP reference IMG. Enterprise structure. Definition. Now the in this financial account there is company and company code is there. And if we want to create plant, we'll go through logistic general. Here define copy deletes a plant. Click on it and define plant. Click on it. Take position and 1000 plant. We have to copy from this. Select it and copy as. And here write our plant. I will give S02. Okay. Name 1 is anything. My plant. Name 2 is not necessary. So enter it and we'll get this new window, new icon. So we'll give the details here. This is details bar, company and name. I'm giving my plant. Here we can give anything details. Street, house number, okay. District, okay. I will select Bangalore. The plant is in Bangalore, like that. We'll give 6-digit postcode. Only anything. Country is India. and region we will select here. Click on F4 button and we'll select the region. Okay, here I will select Karnataka. Here is Karnataka. Okay, 10. Time zone is Indian time zone. Let's select the time zone. Here it is. Okay, the language is in English. This is not. If you have the telephone number, you can give that also. Now save it. Save it. Save it. So data was saved. Created. No. Now copy, delete, check plant. Same. The number ranges, the accounts number ranges and intervals, all those are copying now. 1000 plant and our plant is S02. Click on it. Okay, you just click on all yes. Number ranges. So this is simple now. How we are creating. Yes, yes. Okay, completed. Now we have to create the purchase organization and storage location. Same path. Here type SPRO and click on SAP reference object and click on enterprise structure, and here definition, and here we'll go through materials management for purchase organization and storage location. So we'll create first storage location. Our plant is S02. Enter and click on new entries. There we'll create S03 and S04. Multiple storage locations you can create. It's your wish. No, save. So storage location is complete. Again slash and SPRO SAP reference IMG enterprise structure definition materials management. This is the purchase organization. Click on new entries. Actually the purchase organization six types are there. So here I am creating one purchase organization, that is I will give that any number is 023. I will create with 4-digit code. Here mainly we are doing in plant specific purchase organization. If you want to create all also we can create here with the digit code. 6 types here it is there: cross company code purchase organization, reference purchase organization, transplant purchase organization, central purchase organization, standard purchase. These 5 will use in different ways. In the future I will tell you. For the now it is now for procuring process we are considering these purchase organization only, so I am creating one now. Okay, save it. An entry already exists with the same key, so we'll create with another. This is existing, it is showing. We'll create with a new one. New entries. 024 will take. Save. Okay, created. Save. No data was saved. Go back. So now created all the organization structure. Now we have to assign to the company. We have to assign one by one. First we have to assign this company code to company, plan to the organization structure will complete no one by just we created separately. Now we have to assign the whole structure through structure to company. So slash and SPRO, the path for assignment, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure. Here assignment is there, financial accounting, assign company code to company. That is only no first we are assigning company code to company. Click on it. What is take position? What is our company code? Company code is S01. Enter here. Okay. Here we'll give our company SRN123. So 123. Save. So saved no. Data was saved. Okay. Again go back. Again assign company code to. This is completed. No. Company code is completed. Now assign plant to company code. So same path, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, assignment, and go to logistic general. Here assign plant to company code. What is our plant? S02 no. So here S02 plant already assigned to 1000 company code, but our company code is different no. So what we do, we have to delete it. Delete this 1000 company and save it and go through new entries. Here we'll give our company code S01 and plant is S02. Okay, enter. Okay, this is no, save it. So data was saved, completed. Plant is completed. Now again slash and SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, assignment. Now we'll have to assign the purchase organization. So here we are not assigning in the storage location because it is keeping the goods in the storage location. So no need to assign there. This is the final process. No need to assign. It is in within the plant. So we'll have to assign the purchase organization. The purchase organization sometimes it will done at the company code level and sometimes it will done at the plant level. So we'll have to assign purchase organization to both company code and plant. So we can do it. We can do now. So assignment and we'll go through in material management. So here assign purchase organization to company code. So what is our purchase organization? Take new position or purchase S0, 2, 3 or 4. S0, 2, 3. Here is there no. So here 2, 3 also saved. 2, 4 also saved. Okay, we can take one. Here we'll give our company code S01. See, assigned. Here also you can take. No need, no. This is plant specific only, no. So you can save it. So company code level is complete. Now we have to assign to plant. Click on it. See here we are not assigning. We'll go through new entries directly. Here we can give purchase organization. What is our purchase? S023 no. Plant is S02. Enter. Okay. Save it. Data was saved. So we'll completed the organization structure whole the thing no. So we have to check the organization will come or not, it will assign or not, one by one it will assign or not. We have to check the structure. For that, the T code is EC01 slash EC01. You can note it down, this T code, enter, and click on structure, click on navigation. It's just okay. Now in the click on find button, and we'll give our company code S01, enter. Here is there, double click on it, here click on it. See, this is our organization structure. See, one by one assign, no, company code, company, this is plant, S03, all these things. See, this is our organizational structure. See, so organizational structure is completed. You can practice more and more, you will get it is in easily. You can do it in easily, no need to afraid of anything. So, and this path also you can remember, and you can make this documentary like this. You can do that, you can prepare the document by your own. I prepared it my own. See, SPRO, enter, and take the enterprise structure and go through definition, financial account, and define company. This path is for company, and company code also same. SPRO, enterprise structure, and definition, financial accounting, create company code. And this is the plant, same SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, logistic general, and there is the plant. For purchase organization, storage location, material management tab. See, okay, you can remember these things. Okay, this is completed. Now in my next class I will tell you what is master data, how to create material, how to create vendor, all these things I will tell you. Now you do the practice, and if you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment box, and I will give you reply. Definitely I will give the reply, so you can do the practice. So if you like it, also like it, and you can share it, and you can subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next class.